We know that quick fixes and magic pills are not the solution to long-term health. So, what is? Healthy habits like nutrition and movement and sleep and mindset. In fact, these are the four pillars of health that I work on with my clients. As a health and nutrition coach, we really get down to the bottom of what are you doing consistently because that's what you're going to get results for. If you're staying up late consistently every night, you're going to be tired. If you're consistently nourishing your body with all the healthy fruits and vegetables that you can possibly get, you're going to be healthier. So, this week on the blog, we're going to dive into those healthy habits, how to really create nourishing, healthy habits that actually last for women over 40 that are really busy. If you are in a career where you're go, go, go all the time and your sleep or your meal prepping falls to the bottom of your to-do list, you're going to love this blog because I'm going to teach you some of the strategies I use with my clients to really create these foundations in a way that they're going to work and they're going to last. And there's something you can actually stick with and follow through on. When you're over there on the blog, read through it. And then there's a quiz that will give you a 3-step personalized plan to better health and more energy. I want you to feel vibrant and live your life to the fullest. And I'm here to help. So head on over to this week's blog and get started. I'm going to be over there to support you.